Gr8START is an alliance of diverse services and organisations working together.
On a commitment to partnering and pooling resources for prevention, early identification and intervention initiatives.
The focus is to ensure good health and wellbeing and positive developmental and educational outcomes for all children aged 0 to 8 years.
Raising healthy, happy Gold Coast kids together.
Thank you, Louise, for hosting our extended meeting today.
Gr8START was formed out of the necessity to have more effective communication and collaboration between a variety of services and organisations working on the Gold Coast. The group has been meeting monthly over the past 3 years to become familiar with each other's organisations in order to identify opportunities for partnering.
This is a really complex space that we deal in. Families are complex, children are complex, and you can't expect that one person will actually know everything there is to know about a particular family. So the partnership creates all these little players, and it's almost, if you think of a jigsaw, historically perhaps child safety was one part of the jigsaw and there was others who were parts of the jigsaw. It's about trying to put all those pieces together and saying, I don't have to know it all, but in partnership we can connect the pieces.
Gr8START engages with over 50 different organisations, including government agencies, local government, non-government organisations, childcare providers, family support services, allied health professionals, community development services, general practices, community health and general practice nurses, and specialist health professionals, to facilitate cross-sector alliancing and partnering that better enables prevention of developmental delays by promoting healthy activities for children, early identification of children's developmental vulnerabilities, proactive intervention supporting families and children in need of assistance, common language, development of a more cohesive, coherent and accessible early years service sector. The Gr8START partnership commenced in 2008. It was an initiative of the Gold Coast Primary Care Partnership Council.
The description I use is the rock in the river with the ripple effect. It was about key stakeholders saying, this is the place we're prepared to throw the rock in the river to get the best ripple effect, and then let's see what goes from there. And so for every strategic priority, that's what we've done. We've pulled together key stakeholders, we've looked at the evidence, we've looked at everything we can find out about that particular topic in the Gold Coast. We've met with people, we've scoped it, and then what we've done is called a much bigger meeting to say, this is what we reckon is worth working together on to make a difference. What do you think? And that's not an exclusive, that's an inclusive process. So anybody can come, even if you wouldn't imagine they'd be interested in the topic.
When we bring ourselves together and we become...
In this inclusive process, an open invitation was made to be a part of the advisory group that would shape the future of Gr8START. The group was facilitated in a partnership model, where the team strived for everyone at the table to have an equal voice.
A lot of people think partnering is about talking to people and going to 63 million meetings, and that's not what partnering is about. Partnering is actually about changing the way you do things. It's about sharing risks, it's about sharing resources, it's about a different way of seeing things.